reviewing and approving an expense report. As an approver, you will need to review submitted expense reports to submit for reimbursement or send them back for corrections. You can review the reports awaiting your approval on the Concur homepage under My Tasks or from the Approvals tab up at the top. To begin, select Required Approvals under the My Tasks section. On the Approvals screen, in the Expense Reports tab, you will see the expense reports awaiting your approval. To open one for review, select the report name. Shown are all the expenses in a list. Select the expense that you'd like to review. You can review the details on the right Expense tab. If you need additional info, you could send the report back to the employee with your comments. Once you have all the necessary info to approve a report, select Approve. After doing so, the report will no longer appear in your pending list.